Welcome to the Merchant Control panel. Here you will find an overview of all your transactions. At the top, we show total sales by month, by week. We show a daily total. We show an average transaction size. We show a total refunds. There is a refund video if you wish to know how to process a refund. Total CHB is a total chargeback. A chargeback is a reversal of a settlement after a successfully disputed sale involving the card issuer. Highlighted are approval ratios. Rough idea, for gaming industry should be above 60%, Forex above 40%, any e-commerce above 80%, and travel above 70%. On the left-hand side are shortcuts to certain transactional reports. Here we show chargeback by scheme types. The map shows where transactions have originated from and if approved or declined. Below are shortcuts to other features. There is a separate video on Virtual Terminal. Below are reports, question and answers, settings, and the last settlement.